What's up, YouTube? Oh, let me turn that down. What's up, YouTube? Reddick is back here. We're in the Beamer. Look at this guy. We're in the Beamer and we're gonna go do some roadside assistance. But yeah, the Prius RIP, it is gone from the fleet. So yeah, it's gone from the fleet. All my roadside equipment is in the Beamer, and we're just gonna send it. Follow me along this journey as we look for the new roadside vehicle. So I'm gonna head to the customer now and go from there. But yeah, RIP the Prius. F's in the chat. Yeah. All right, guys, we're in the slums. Yep, highway's great. If you're scared of heights, I don't recommend this. Let's see what lug nut size this is. Probably 19. I think it's 19. It. Yep. Pretty much got the hard part done. I just gotta lift it. guys, the Prius is gone. Prius is gone, guys. Really sad. Love that car. Definitely gonna do like a memorial video on it. Drove that thing, drove the crap out of that car. And if you've ever driven a car a lot, you have an attachment for it. It's seen all my project cars and stuff like that, so definitely send some thanks in the comment section about the Prius. But that's pretty much it. Just gotta punk it down. He's in a decent spot, but as you can see, there's like cars flying right now. But I will say the BMW is a lot more comfortable. The suspension is not as worn out as the Prius. And I think it looks pretty good. E46s I think look really good. But yeah, we just gotta wait for this air pump to go and then we're good to go. But on these Ford Escapes, I think it's a 19 for the lug nut. Yeah.